In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Claude for Opus in Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. If you're using Cursor and want to unlock one of the most powerful model options available, this guide will walk you through exactly where to go and what to click. This is a quick setup, but it can make a big difference if you want better coding help, smarter suggestions, and a stronger AI workflow inside Cursor. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look to the top right corner of the app window and find the settings gear icon. This is where you can control your cursor preferences and model options. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings menu. After the settings panel opens, look for the model section and click on it. This is where Cursor keeps the list of available AI models you can use. Now inside the model settings, use the search bar and type Opus. Cursor will filter the available models so you can quickly find the Claude for Opus option. Once you see the latest version of Opus, go ahead and enable it. Depending on your setup, you may need to toggle it on or select it as an active model. Make sure you choose the latest version so you're using the most up-to-date option available in Cursor. After that, your Claude for Opus model should be ready to use inside your workflow. You can now go back to your projects and start using Cursor with the upgraded model enabled. If you don't see it right away, just double check that you're in the Models tab and that you searched for Opus correctly. Sometimes the option may be hidden until you scroll or refresh the list, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Claude for Opus in Cursor AI. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.